Welcome everyone to practice this very simple Tai Chi routine. It's not just about using Tai Chi walking. It is also the best practice for Tai Chi beginners to learn Tai Chi. Peak Tai Chi, it helps beginners of Tai Chi better perceive and feel the key flow in their practice. Cook 5 minutes to help you find Yogi Qigong. Tai Chi exercises for beginners. Keep your spine upright and aligned. Inhale. Exhale. Let Tai Chi integrate the upper and lower parts of your body. Sink your hips and drop your crotch. Expand. Expand your hands. Sink. Sink your hips and drop your crotch. Expand your hands. Expand your entire body. Sink your hips and drop your crotch. Expand your hands. Expand your entire body. Draw circles with your hands and feel your body expanding. Sink your hips and drop your crotch. Expand your hands. Let your body expand as fully as this circle. The contraction and elasticity of the body.